Hello traders. Okay, now let's talk about the new indicator that is called the filter trend indicator that provides the table on the right hand side. And this is the excellent indicator because this is kind of a easy stuff that I have developed. And already we have launched that indicator, but later on we were unable to make the videos about this clear beauty. Okay, now first of all, you need to understand that how this indicator works. Basically, it shows your time frame on the left hand side, and it shows you the trend in the form of up arrow and the down arrow on your chart. Okay, so what is the benefit? Like, for example, first of all, the traders are going to the 1 minute chart, then they are going to the 10 minutes chart, the 15 minutes chart, and going to the 30 minutes chart, and all time they are switching their time frame. So this is the one solution that you have. Okay, now first of all, it's better that you simply go and watch the liquidity course that I have available, that I have make it available in my YouTube channel playlist. There is one folder in the name of advanced trading course. So just do that course and it will benefit your trading, and then when you will use my indicators, they will give you the very good extreme results. Okay, now first of all, just look at this one. The other indicator that I have attached, this is called the market turning points. It's basically the real time levels indicator. It provides you the videos, the content in the form of the levels. Now you can see. Okay, so for example, just take an example. Now just look at the 1 hour time frame of the Bitcoin. Okay, the market is live today. It's Sunday, but the market is live on the crypto. Now you can see on the 1 hour time frame, you can see there was the upside trend. And if we have followed that trend, for example, might be possible when the price came down, the lower time frames like 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, they must be down on that time, because they will represent the short trend in that case. But on the higher time frames, it has already given you a confirmation that this is the uptrend for the market. And now what you have seen, that from the buy opportunity you got a very good pullback and the price is going up as well. Okay, so when you are sitting on the lower time frames, you are trading on the lower time frames, you can keep an eye on the higher time frames. Now for example, this 1 hour is bullish, but if we go more higher, then it is telling us 4 hour is bearish on Sol. And simply the SUI USDT, like for example, the 1 hour is also down at the moment. So it means that we should not take a buy position. So this could be a wrong option for us. Okay, so this is how this indicator works. Now you can see 1 hour is bullish, so you can do a very good scalping. Okay, now the other example is, for example, you are going to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so the 1 minute is bullish, 3 minute is bullish, 5 minute is bullish, but a 1 hour is bearish later on. Okay, so you can take your decisions like this, because the trend indicator will solve your lot of problems. Okay, so this is how this indicator works, and this is very very good. And now you can see, like for example, I'm on the 1 hour chart, and now you can see it has told you that 1 hour is bullish, but the 4 hour time frame is bearish, you can see. Okay, now what happens, that now when the 1 hour turns bullish, it means that there is a pullback. Okay, now at somewhere, when you will if the market points, turning points give you a level or some other indicator that you use level base as the 4 hour and the daily trend, that's bearish. So what we normally expect after the pullback, there is a bearish return on the trade as well, and the price again goes down. Okay, so for example, look at this one. This was the small pullback here we have seen. Okay, and this is the pullback that we have seen, that after going up, then we have the downward pressure on that one. Okay, so this is how you can deal with this indicator, and that solves your multiple problems, that you have one button on your screen and then you can go for that trade. But if you can afford and bear the market turning points indicator with it, it is also listed on our website fxmentorus.com. Okay, and you have to do the liquidity course in that case, that is available for free on the YouTube playlist. Okay, then you can see that this is the market turning points. This is listed on our website. There are all details about this indicator on our site, and you can go for that. And if you want to book the lifetime version of the filter trend market turning points, you can simply contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. We have provided all details in the description.